We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee, her family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making some delicious fried chicken tenders, y'all. Yes, and here are our ingredients. Here I'm shaking up our buttermilk, and now we're going to season our chicken tenders. Here we're adding our seasoned salt. We don't want to add a lot, y'all, just a little. It's probably maybe a half a tablespoon if it's that. And some garlic powder. And some black pepper. Okay. I'm gonna mix this up a little bit. And the thing about these, you can let these sit in the buttermilk and your seasoning overnight, or like 2 or 3 hours. All depends on you. Here we're adding our buttermilk. Buttermilk in these. You can just let these sit overnight, and y'all, they are so good. I'll check my oil to see if it's ready. Okay. Okay, y'all, I think my oil is about ready. We don't want to fry these too fast. I decided to use this deep skillet so I can fry my chicken and my potatoes in with no problem. But if you only have a skillet, you can still, use the same method, but just use a shallow skillet. Let me check it. I think my oil is ready. Okay. I have my all-purpose flour that I'm breading my chicken tenders in. Now we're placing in our chicken tenders one at a time. Please don't overcrowd your skillet. We're going to fry these for 10 to 12 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken tenders. Time to time, go and check your tenders to make sure they're not sticking, and check the color to see if they have turned golden brown. If they turn golden brown within 2 or 3 minutes, you are cooking your chicken tenders too fast. Reduce your heat, okay? I'm cooking mine on a medium-high heat. If you are using an electric deep fryer, set your temperature at 350. Okay, y'all, this is the color that we're looking for. I'm going to remove all my chicken tenders from my oil, and then I'm going to continue to fry more. While our other chicken tenders are frying, here we're preparing our potato wedges. I'm showing you how I cut mine, but it's up to you the way you want to cut yours, okay? Letting you know, if you don't want to use, eat fries with your tenders, you can make like mashed potatoes. And if you don't want the potatoes at all, these would go good with like yellow rice or just vegetables. Chicken tenders will also go good with some country gravy and some Texas toast. Since we're all finished cutting up our potato wedges, now it's time to season them. I'm just seasoning mine with some seasoned salt. But it's up to you. If you just want salt and black pepper, do you. I like the taste of the seasoned salt. You can also use French fry seasoning. Here I'm removing the last batch of our chicken tenders, and now we're going to fry up our potato wedges. While my oil is heating up, here I'm using a basket to fry our potato wedges in. This is so simple to use, and so I decided to use this basket that came with this skillet. I'm cooking these on the same medium-high heat that I did our chicken tenders. These wedges are sort of thick, and so we're going to let these fry for at least 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how you like yours. If you want yours fried crispy, you can fry them longer. Okay, y'all, our first batch is ready. This is what we're looking for. The color and everything is just right. And so I'm going to place these on some paper towels, and then we're going to cook the second batch. The second batch I did let cook a little longer because some of my family want theirs a little more crispier. I'm going to remove these, and we're going to be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, we are back with our final result. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Letting y'all know I did double my chicken tenders because my grandkids love them, especially with ranch dressing. And so here I'm showing y'all how they turn out, y'all. They were so moist and delicious. And I hope y'all try this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed cooking with me as much as I enjoyed cooking with you all. Like always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
That's a hit!